what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have the one and only Sam in the house today. So excited. I've wanted her on my channel for a really, really long time. She's
super excited to be here.
Yeah, she's like my saving grace, you guys. Like, look at my fat knee. She like helps me like behind the scenes with like my lighting and like the quality of my camera and stuff like that.
Look at our amazing setup today.
Guys, like our setup today is so professional. We're in a studio today, so we're so professional. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing the Kylie Cosmetics, the Blue Honey palette. We're gonna be doing like a tutorial on it. I asked you guys on my Instagram like a poll if you guys wanted me to do it, and it was like 80%. But when I looked at this palette, like when I got it in the mail, I was like, there's so many looks like you can create. Like I wanted another person in it, so I called Sam over. She came right away.
So we're going to show you two different eye looks today.
This is what the palette looks like. I mean, it's really pretty. You have like a really pretty like blue duochrome type of color. You have some really pretty like red, burnt oranges down here. So I don't know. I thought this was really pretty, and I wanted to do a look with it with somebody. So that's what we're here to do today with you guys. We're going to do quick swatches. So we're just going to swatch all of them for you guys. And I did a video on the purple palette, and if you haven't watched that, I'll link it down below. I should totally check it out.
Yes.
I mean, if you think I'm lying about this pigment and how creamy they look, I mean, take a look for yourself. These are really pretty.
So I have the middle, I ran out of fingers. I have the middle and the bottom row.
And I have like the top row and like one from the bottom. I mean, they're really pretty. Like they're pigmented.
They are.
They're not like
I love all of Kylie's palettes.
Yeah, I like the purple palette a lot. And what was the other palette I liked? I like her burgundy palette. That one's really good for the fall time. So yeah, we're gonna do an eye look on this. So if this is your first time to my channel, hi. You should totally subscribe down below so you can be part of the Goria Gang. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these type of videos and all the studio lights and all that good stuff that's making me so hot right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on into the video and this tutorial.
Cool. Oh.
Okay, so I think we're both going to do like halo eyes, but we're going to do different colors so you guys can see how the different colors perform and all that stuff.
Those swatches were amazing, right?
They swatch really nice.
Yeah. I'm going to go in with this middle color here.
So pretty. That was actually creamy for a matte. Like,
yeah.
And for a dark blue like that, I think so too. Okay, and I'm going in with this color, and I think it's called Raw, but I don't know because the colors like are so different. Like once you turn it around, it's always like different. But yeah, that's the color I'm going into.
Whatever's left over, I'm just going to dust it across the lid about a third of the way.
And I'm just taking that color and I'm buffing it through my whole crease. And I'm blending it upwards because I do have a little bit of a hooded eye, so you have to blend up farther.
I have a super deep set crease, so
must be nice.
Halo eyes look real good on me, you guys.
Must be nice. I can barely do cut creases either because my lid shape is so weird.
Ooh, I can't do a cut crease at all.
So hard.
It gets lost in my super deep set crease. But I got plenty of room for some shimmer on the lid, y'all.
Exactly.
Yeah, for sure. I just feel like Kylie is really killing the cosmetics game.
No, I feel the same way. People are like, oh, she probably just like throws stuff together, but if she really like didn't care, I mean that's where she would, but this stuff isn't thrown together.
No.
No, not at all.
And her packaging is so cute. And I mean, I know a lot of other cosmetics companies do this, but when you get her product, even the box it comes in says Kylie everywhere,
like
and it's got the lip drip, and it's really cute.
It's very thoughtful.
Yeah.
I appreciate packaging too, because like that's half the money that you spend.
Yeah.
Like say something's $40 where you're paying for the packaging and you're paying for the product. So I appreciate like when the product is
for sure
paying in and so is the packaging.
So I'm just doing the same thing I did on the outer corner to my inner corner. Tell us if you can tell a difference between the quality of this video versus the last one. Let us know in the comments.
I'm a buffer straight through the crease, girl.
Yeah?
Like,
you gotta have that transition shade?
Yeah, I have to.
No, I'm like, if you're not gonna see it, I don't put the extra, I don't lay an extra color down. Well, that makes sense too.
I guess it depends on like what look you're going for.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's just kind of necessary.
Mine's going to be a little bit more of an editorial
type of look.
Yeah.
Like you're not really following along anything.
Yeah,
You're just kind of going with it, yeah.
Definitely more of an editorial halo.
So I'm just taking that yellow too, and I'm concentrating it more on the inner corner of the eye. I don't really know what kind of look I'm going to go with, but I just want to concentrate it more on the inner parts.
So now I'm just taking a clean brush and buffing out these areas sort of up and over.
Now I'm taking this color, and you guys are going to see that I'm going to pack it here, here, and then buff it in.
I'm going to take this super amazing crown brush.
It looks so good.
Yeah, if you ever go to the makeup show or iMats or just on the internet, this crown brush is amazing for blending really small areas.
So I'm just taking the same brush I used for the yellow and just kind of blending out those outer parts of the halo eye.
I'm going to spray this sort of dense flat brush that I'm borrowing from Bella. And I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to put that in the center. I'm really important.
Very. Actually, I'm now going to dip into this shade. I was using this shade before to darken up the eye look. So for the yellow in the middle of my eye, I'm going to use literally the metallic yellow right here. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush. It's from Dollar Tree. I talk about these brushes a lot. I think they're amazing. And I'm going to use some Fix Plus, as always, to spritz it a few times. I feel like I'm going into this yellow so much to get it to be where I want it to be.
Really?
You see it?
It's not as... I didn't have to dip into that one too much to get what I wanted.
I had to go into this one a lot.
Huh.
It's just not being like the most pigmented thing ever.
I also don't feel like you're going to get more out of it than you've gotten right now either.
I agree. I think going over is going to keep taking it away. Yeah. Okay, so for like my waterline, I'm going with the Marc Jacobs highliner in the shade Whirlpool. I'm going to apply a really, really small coat of this Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara. And then I'm going to apply my favorite lashes at the moment, and they are the Plush Collection False Lashes in the style Plushy. I'll link a video down below where I did like on their website, I did like a video of me like applying them. And I'll also link these style down below. I mean, they're really pretty. Like, they're super natural, and that's why I like them. So you want to apply those, and if you want money off your lashes, use the code GORIAGANG. That'll also be down below.
So we just put our lashes on. What do I find?
Feelin' Fly. What lashes did you use?
I used... Oh my gosh, I don't even know what they're called. Honestly, they're just some beauty store lashes, but they're super soft. They're foam ink.
They look so pretty.
Yeah.
They look so wispy. I used, like I said in the clip before this, the Plushy lashes from the Plush collection, and I'll link them down below.
We didn't have an extra pair because I would have worn those, but next time I'm going to totally try them because they look so good on you.
And they're like natural, yet they like add...
Yeah, she definitely went for a much more natural look, and I went full glam.
I just need to learn. I just need to learn how to like do like those crazy eye looks like that, because I have to work with my lid, and my lid doesn't like to be worked with, so I just have to like, I just have to play it around.
But I love this eye look on you.
You do?
Yeah, and I really like the lower lash line.
Yeah, the lower lash line we did the blue, and then we did Whirlpool by Marc Jacobs, and I think it tied it all together. And I absolutely love her. So don't forget to check the description box. I'll link all her social medias down below. And if you're in the Greensboro, Winston, Charlotte area, she does photography, so you should totally check her out. She's amazing.
Thank you guys so much for watching today.
Yeah, thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun, and I don't know, my overall review on this palette, I thought it was good. Like, I like her other palettes too. I was just having a problem with like getting this to be intense, this yellow, but it's intense like on the swatch, so I don't know why. Like, it was weird.
I didn't have a problem with
any of the mattes.
This shade either, and the mattes blended really well. They weren't patchy. So give it a try. Let us know what you think. And if you want to see more videos like this, just let us know. And subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe so you can be part of the
Goria Gang!
So we'll catch you guys in the next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.